申し分ない。申し分ない。申し分ない is mean perfect. But it mean perfect. That mean this phrase we will use when you have some thing and you check that thing, and after the checking and you know that that thing is good and perfect, you can say 申し分ない. For example, they want to sell, or after you have you work with your friends, okay, and your friends are done or finished the work, and after that it's your turn to check the result, and after you checking the result that everything is okay and no bad thing in the products or no bad thing in the work that your friends did. So in the case like that, you can say 申し分ない. 申し分ない means that's perfect, there's no problem.